Have you ever watched your family make fluffy idlis? The steamer never even touches the fire, yet the food cooks perfectly. How? Over 2500 years ago, Maharishi Kannada had an idea. Everything is made of tiny invisible particles called as parmanu, and the energy that makes them move, he called it Tejas or heat. You can create heat right now. Just rub your hands together really fast. Now touch your cheeks. Feel that warmth? That's heat energy. But heat doesn't just warm things up, it can also make things move. Imagine placing a light coin on a surface. You're not pushing it, not blowing it, and there are no magnets. At first, the coin starts to vibrate, and sometimes it can even shift slightly. It may look like magic, but it's actually the effect of heat on air around it. To understand this, let's zoom in. Imagine a huge crowd at a concert. When the music is slow, everyone sways gently, moving slowly, staying close together. But suddenly, a high energy song plays. Now everyone is jumping, dancing wildly, and bumping into each other. As they move faster, they spread out and take up more space. That's exactly what happens to particles when you add heat. This idea is called the kinetic theory. When you add heat, particles gain energy, which means they move faster. As they move faster, they push each other apart. That's why when water boils, particles move so fast they turn into steam, take up more space, and push hard enough to lift the lid of a pot. And we use this idea to power the modern world today. In power plants, when water is heated to create the high energy steam, this steam expands with tremendous force and spins massive blades inside a steam turbine. As those blades spin, they generate electricity. The same electricity that powers your lights, your home, and even the screen you're watching right now. Back in 1843, people believed heat was a mysterious, invisible fluid. But James Prescott Joule proved something remarkable. Heat is actually a form of energy connected to motion. When something moves, it can generate heat. And today, if you understand heat and energy, you could also become a thermal systems engineer. You could design cooling systems for electric cars, spacecraft, and powerful supercomputers, making sure they don't overheat. You become someone who understands heat and controls it to power the future. I'm Dr. Kavita from Urjeevi SPARK, reminding you to stay curious, keep questioning, and keep exploring. Join us to experiment yourself and see science coming alive. I'll see you in the lab.